In the 2017 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, ventilated front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.